Hi, I'm Candy with Inspire My Style, and today we're talking about how to rebuild our self-confidence and self-esteem as we get older. If you're a woman over 50 and more specifically over 60, you may be able to relate to that. I have women who write to me regularly, and a pretty consistent theme among them is they say, I kind of feel like I'm invisible as I've gotten older. I look in the mirror and I'm not quite sure who's looking back at me. Our body has gone through changes and continues to do so as we age. Our stamina is adjusted. We may not be able to do everything that we used to do, and consequently, we can end up feeling a little bit less than. As a woman in my mid-60s, I'm 65, I have learned that there are some things that I can do, some actions I can take to help maintain my self-confidence and feel good about myself, my self-image on a regular basis. And I will tell you this, some of them are up here, it's in my head, it's what I'm thinking. That certainly can affect how I feel about myself, and the other is right here in my heart, how I feel. So I have 8 essential truths, if you will, that I would love to share with you to help you rebuild your self-confidence and self-esteem in midlife. Let's take a look at what they are. There's really no better way to learn how to rebuild your confidence than to take time every day and provide the care that your body, mind, and heart needs. For me, it's through a healthy morning routine that includes some quiet time, some devotions, some exercise, reflection, and then I drink a cup of coffee, check my emails, but I take the time for myself. Sometimes the busyness of life can end up making us feel a little bit lost in the shuffle. So what I've learned to do is to pay attention to my body, what it's telling me. How am I feeling? Am I tearful? Am I cranky? Am I frustrated? And just give myself a few minutes of quiet time to get in touch with my body, think about it, refocus, take a deep breath, and then move on. As we go through our 50s, 60s, and beyond, our body goes through so many changes physically, and it can, make us feel a little bit down sometimes and take away our confidence, and especially if someone else starts making those same comments about you. So what I do is every single day, embrace who I am and where I'm at in life, and tell myself that yes, I am a beautiful person. Exercise is so important to us as we get older. And even if you haven't been exercising regularly, just set a simple goal. I'm going to walk for 10 minutes a day. Then maybe you'll walk for 11 minutes or 12 minutes a day. And you know what? You're accomplishing a goal, you're relieving stress, you're helping your metabolism, and you're also gaining confidence. What do I mean by hold your head high? Well, not every day is going to be a great day for us. And even when you're feeling a little bit less than, or when doubt has crept into your thoughts, still hold your head high, walk with purpose, speak with confidence that you might not feel at the moment, but it will help you regain it more quickly. Along with the previous action, valuing our thoughts and opinions is so important. You'd think it would happen automatically as we reach this stage of life, but it doesn't. Remind yourself that your thoughts, your opinions, your feelings have value. If you continually question those things, it will be harder to rebuild your self-confidence. What do I mean by your value is not based on your production? Well, I'll put it this way. Say you are working on a project, whether it's personal or job related, and it doesn't turn out quite the way you had hoped. Does that mean you're a failure as a person? Of course not. Separate the two. Learn from your mistakes, but don't beat yourself up about it. Your value as a person has not changed. My goal is always to find the balance between how I feel on the inside and how I portray myself on the outside. Ideally, those two characteristics of me are in sync, are in balance. And that's what I'm always working toward, that I'm not faking it, that I'm portraying who I truly am a person of value. If you found that you can relate to some of the things that we've discussed in this video, head over to candyrandolph.com, where you'll find resources that I have created that touch on all of the aspects of this video. Some focus on different areas, but they are all created to help you become the best woman that you can be as you travel through midlife.